welcome back school. My name is Chincha. So today I am 6 years old. I study in international school. I come on a class. English. No con go on sat on down. So chừng vô to. Nói chừng đo. Có sat on down. English math I study 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Grammar spot 1 I study. Choose. Search. Scare.
English, you study 1 object, 2 object, 3 object, 4 object,
3 object.
3 object.
Yes. Here's a command.
Moment, 2 object. Hang 1 object.
3 object.
Speak nữa.
Speak gì?
2 object.
2 object.
How 1 object? You say 3 object.
Grammar spot 1 I say already.
And then
Here's a command.
huh? You cùng nú
Cùng nú.
and grammar spot 1 and then
English math I say already.
2 2A.
2 cùng nú. And English math.
English math you study about
English math I study 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
តា
ខ្ញុំប្រាប់គ្នាតា
តា
ភាសាខ្មែរខ្ញុំរៀនកយ៉ាងកខយ៉ាងខចយ៉ាងចឆយ៉ាងឆចយ៉ាងចឆយ៉ាងឆកយ៉ាងកខយ៉ាងខងយ៉ាងងដល់យ៉ាងដថយ៉ាងថតយ៉ាងតឆយ៉ាងឆយ៉ាងឆបយ៉ាងបដល់យ៉ាងដតយ៉ាងតដូយ៉ាងដថយ៉ាងថអយ៉ាងអឡយ៉ាងឡផាយ៉ាងផបើយ៉ាងបើម៉យ៉ាងម៉យោយ៉ាងយោរយ៉ាងរឡយ៉ាងឡសយ៉ាងឡយ៉ាងឡវយ៉ាងវសយ៉ាងសហើយយ៉ាងហឡយ៉ាងឡអយ៉ាងអគណិតវិទ្យាកូនរៀនចំនួនតិចជាងចំនួនច្រើនជាងអស់ហើយជំរាបលាចា
grammar spot you study about
Grammar spot 1 study search choose បីជើង search កៅអៅ This is a choose. This is a search. This is a app. Hi.
and all
Yes.
okay
Really.